caution for the aspirants and the students appearing in the civil services mains examination. Student should adhere to the word limits while answering questions in accordance with instructions provided in the question paper. Examiners, evaluators will penalize by deducting marks as a form of penalty for exceeding the word limits from the instructions, directions given in the questions paper. Now, I will take up a question on environmental ethics asked in the year 2015. This answer has to be written in 150 words and it is a 10 marks question. I am now reading out the question. The first part of the question says, what is meant by environmental ethics? The second part of the question says, why is it important to study? The third part says, discuss any one environmental issue from the viewpoint of environmental ethics. Now, I will discuss the answers of the first part. What is meant by environmental ethics? Environmental ethics are a key feature of environmental studies that establishes a relationship between humans and the earth. Now, I will take up the second part of the question. Why is it important to study? It is important to study environmental ethics because environmental ethics exerts influence on a large group of disciplines, including environmental law, environmental sociology, ecological economics, ecology, and environmental geography. Environmental ethics promote the increased use of clean and renewable energies, sources of energy like wind, water, sunlight, and geothermal energy over non-renewable sources of energy like coal and petroleum, causing environmental pollution. Environmental ethics ensures a clean, stable, and sustainable future. Now the last part of the question, which is very important, it is an illustration part. Discuss any one environmental issue from the viewpoint of environmental ethics. Due to the resistance of the villagers a major environmental catastrophe was averted, which led South Korean steel company POSCO to pull out of the 12 million tons per annum MTPA integrated steel plant at Jagatsinghpur district of Odisha in 2005. The resistance was largely because the battle-based economy sustained 20,000 odd people in 8 villages that would be affected by the project. Now, I will take up another question related to this topic, ethics, which was asked in the year 2015 of 10 marks. The word limits prescribed for the 4 parts of this question were 200 words. I will now read out the question for the convenience of the aspirants watching this video. The first part is law and ethics. Second, ethical management and management of ethics. The third part